Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Coolors palette import into Canva step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Coolors website. Create a color palette or choose an existing one from the Coolors library. Once you find a palette you like, click on the palette to view its details. Locate the export button, usually found at the top of the palette display. Click on export to open a new menu with different export options. Select the option labeled Copy to Clipboard. Now, open a new tab and log into your Canva account. On your Canva homepage, start a new design or open an existing project. In the design editor, look for the Colors panel on the left sidebar. Click on the plus icon to add a new color palette. A new window will appear for you to enter color codes. Paste the colors from your clipboard into the input fields provided. Canva will automatically recognize the color codes and create your palette. You can now use these colors to enhance your design. Adjust the colors as needed to fit your project. Feel free to experiment with different palettes from Coolors for various designs. Your Coolors palette is now successfully imported into. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.